I'm doing a review on the Dreambaby, I think this was called, Stroller Hook. It's the medium-sized one. They come in bigger ones. It came out with the code originally that was 000, but you get to set it yourself, and I'll show you how in a moment. But to open and close, you pull down to go forward, pull down to go in, and depending on how thick your stroller is, you may prefer it to be upside down. You can have it like that. You can have it like this, but that way is a little bit tricky when you unhinge it. But then you can throw your shopping bags on there, or your purse. This can also go on your shopping cart, which is awesome. Or you could probably even hang a bag of toys or something for your little one. So I'm going to scramble these so that you know that it's locked. Doesn't open. It's made of a hard, not really hard, but soft rubbery foam, just almost identical to this stroller that I have here. And so now I'm going to unlock this. Now there's two sides to this, so I don't know if you want to mark it with a permanent marker or just always know that it's going to be on your left side if you have it on here. But where you might think you're undoing the comm on this side, but really you need to do it on this side. So I'm going to put it back to the 415. Open it up. I'll show you how to reset it to your own. So there's a little pen hole right there that you can put your pen in, and I'm going to push that while I'm holding it down. I'm going to change the comm to, we'll just put it back to the 000, I guess. Okay, now it should lock in there, and I just changed it. I'll shuffle them, and then it's locked. Get back to the zeros. Voila. So that's pretty easy. I was expecting it to come with a comm or something, and it's pretty nice, so I like it.